Hello everyone, it's your girl Shannon B for Brown Girl Bella, bringing you lips, lashes, and luxury. And today it's March Madness, so I got finally my Ipsy bag as well as my Sephora bag for the month of March, and I wanted to share with you guys what I got and what I think about the subscriptions um, for the month of March. So stay tuned. Okay, so as I said, I got my Ipsy bag. So this is my Ipsy bag. And then I also received my Sephora bag, which I love. I'm going to be designing some t-shirts and wearables soon for this channel. And I love this saying on here, so you might see me rocking one of the tops that says this: beauty is my spirit animal, because I really do think that beauty is my spirit animal because I love it. So all right, so since I have this one out, this is a Sephora bag. Again, this is what it looks like. Let's just dive in and I'll share with you what I think about this month's subscription. So as you know, always, I already ripped off my Sephora Play so I can remember to turn it in when I go to Sephora for my 50 free bonus points. Guys, don't forget that. Don't be like me and forget your 50 bonus points, because they really do come in handy, especially when you want some of those Beauty Insider products that they have each month. So as you know, they always send you a playbook and the lineup. The theme for this month was Festival of Beauty. So I'll just share with you in order what the products are, and then I'll read to you what it says it does. So the first thing I'm going to pull out, let's just pull out all of them here so I can start, is the Bobbi Brown Extra Illuminating Moisture Balm. So this is what you get. It's really, really tiny. So I thought actually it was going to be a much larger size than that, but this is a moisturizing balm that energizes tired skin with ultra-fine pearls. And it says to use a pea-sized amount over clean, dry skin before applying makeup. So since I've already applied my makeup, I won't be demoing it now, but I will demo it in a future tutorial that I'll share with you. Okay, next we have by Corey's, and I think I'm spelling that, saying that properly, Corey's. This is a Greek yogurt foaming cleanser. Now, I wish that the Bobbi Brown sample was this size. As you can see, very disappointing, but this is a cleanser, so hopefully it works well. This is a luxurious cream to foam cleanser that contains skin-loving Greek yogurt. And it says to dispense, again, a dime-size amount onto your hand, lather it into a foam, and then use it over damp skin. So wet your face first and then use this. And it says you can use it morning and night. So that's also good as well. I will try it tonight and I'll let you know how it is. But if you guys want to see an updated skincare regimen from me, let me know in the comment section below. I'd be more than happy to share with you my current skincare regimen, because, you know, I'm starting to break out a little bit. And so I had to switch it up a little bit because I think my current routine, well, my previous routine to this one was getting a little, my skin's getting a little used to it. So I had to switch it up a little bit. So if you want to see what I'm currently doing in terms of skincare, let me know in the comment section below. Be happy to share a tutorial with you guys and let you guys know what's up. Now, I'm excited because this is the first time that this has actually been in one of my boxes. This is by Supergoop. I've never tried a Supergoop product before, so I'm super excited. This is a refreshing setting spray and sunscreen that controls oil. So us oily girls, you know, we are looking for the holy grail in terms of something that will control oil. So if this works, I will definitely let you know. It says to activate by shaking the bottle, and as you can hear, there's something in there that really does like shake it up and like distributes the product all around. And then to hold it 8 to 10 inches away from your face, close your eyes and spray 7 times in a circle for full coverage. Let dry before opening your eyes. So since I did apply my makeup already, I'm going to use it and I'll let you know how it works. All right, so shaking it up 8 to 10 inches away from the face. I will tell you this, the smell is very light. I sprayed it all over my face in that circular motion that they requested. It gives you a very, I was just moving hair out my face, excuse me guys. It gives you a very fine mist, which I love. I love the fact that it's a fine mist. And the smell is really good too. So I'll let you know if it worked all day, but by first blush, I think it really smells good, and we'll see if it actually works. So stay tuned. All right, so next up is a liner by Stila. This is the Stay All Day eyeliner in black. Cute little product packaging. And then it gives you the product here. This is an easy to apply, waterproof liquid eyeliner that dries fast and stays on all day. So it has a very fine point to it. I'm not going to demo it now, but because I've already done my eye makeup, but I will let you know how this works because this is the first time I'm using the Stila product. So I will let you know what it does and if it's worth you paying for. Okay, now the next two products I will share with you are for the hair. So the first one is by IGK. Oh, and here's my play. I found that. So this is the bonus card. That's what it looks like. The first one is, like I said, by IGK. This is called Backstage Balm. It is a Mistress Hydrating Hair Balm. It's a leave-in conditioner that boosts your hair's hydration for shiny, frizz-free, style. So you're supposed to use this to in a pea-sized amount through your styled hair and concentrating on the ends. You're distributing a dime size. Make sure your hair is clean and damp before using this. All right, so that's that one. And then the last one, I actually have a bunch of these samples, like about 3 or 4 of them. I've never used it. Again, this is something that I probably should do. But this is by Amika. This is the Nourishing Hair Mask. It is a deep conditioning mask that hydrates and repairs damaged strands while adding major shine. So I am due for a shampoo and also a color. And I'm trying to wait because I have somewhere to go next week. So I'm trying to wait until the weekend and then do everything. So I will use this product on Saturday. So I will definitely let you know how it works and if it's brown girl friendly. But those were all of the products that I got. And that Amika Soul Food Nourishing Mask, this one, it's a bonus product. So they gave you one bonus product in this month's subscription. So that was all of the products. So there was 6 altogether. Usually they give us 5. How I feel about it, I'm sort of on the fence. A lot of skincare, not a whole lot of makeup products, which, you know, Sephora is known for both, but I really like the makeup more so than the skincare because I kind of know which skincare products I like and what I gravitate to. But you know, it's always good to try new things. I do wish the Bobbi Brown sample was a little larger. Possibly, oops, there we go, Butterfingers. It is not a Brown Girl Bella video if I do not drop something. Let's be clear. So this Greek yogurt, I wish the Bobbi Brown sample was about this size, because then you can really see whether or not this product works, because you're able to try it for at least 2 weeks, especially if you're using a dime size amount, which is what is recommended. I think using those little tiny samples, you don't really get a feel for the product because you only have enough to use it for a week. And I think you need at least 2 weeks of constant use of the product morning and night before you're starting to see any kind of results from skincare. That's just my opinion, but a lot of people share it. So note to Sephora, make the samples a little larger so that we can try it for at least 2 weeks. All right, moving on. This is the Ipsy bag, and you know, Ipsy doesn't give you the product descriptions in the bag, which I really think Ipsy, you guys should do that. But they do give you cute little cards, which, you know, that's always cute. And then this month you can actually customize your bag. So this bag you can actually color in the black and white. And they gave you a pink and a blue marker to color in your bag and make it whatever you want. As you can see, I have not done that. But let's start with the first thing I pulled out, which is a body lotion. It's by Andalou Naturals. It's called 1000 Roses Soothing Body Cream. I will tell you, it does smell like roses. I do love that they also cover the cap so that it is sanitary. But you can immediately smell the roses even through the foil. But I'm going to put a little bit on my hands now because they are dry. All right, so first blush definitely smells like roses. I love hand cream. It's not as thick as some of my other ones. I'm a Bliss snob, so I measure all of my creams based on the Bliss creams. And the Bliss creams, the lotions, the body creams, they all have that thick, rich feel to it. So when you put it on, and then if you're washing your hands or you're sticking your hands in water, which I'm constantly doing, you don't have to reapply because that moisture is already locked in and it's sealed onto your skin. So it's not creamy and thick like that, but if you like roses and you like hand creams, you'll probably like this. If you're not into scents, probably would not be one that you would reach for because it does have that roses scent to it. Okay, next thing I'm pulling out is by Dirty Little Secret. This Dirty Little Secret Cosmetics. This is, I believe it's an eyeshadow. Let's see. Oh no, actually it's a highlighter. So it's called Soda Pop and it's a baked highlighter. So let's share with you what that looks like. If I can just get it open. There we go. So this is the color. I think it's gorgeous. Let's swatch. Oh, that's pretty. Hope you guys can see that. That's a nice color. That's a nice color. I will definitely try this. Oh, and it stays on too. That one swatch like really stayed on my skin. Just wiping it in. It's a really pigmented highlighter, so I will let you know what that does for my skin. The next thing I have is by Tarte. This is their Sex Kitten eyeliner. So I got another eyeliner. You can always use eyeliner. I have tons of them and I never get enough. So I will say it's on the tiny side. So again, I don't know what's going on with these sample products, but they're really getting tinier and tinier with every step. The next thing that I have is a brow pencil. This is by Rodale or Rodale. Not sure how you pronounce it. This is a good size eyebrow pencil. So it's already wrapped up and I'm not going to unwrap it, but I will definitely let you know if this is good. As you guys know, I'm an eyebrow snob. If it's not Anastasia or Benefit, I don't even reach for it, but I will try it and I will let you guys know how it is. And the final product that I have in my Ipsy bag is something that I was really looking for to try because I heard a lot of things about this company and I haven't tried any of their products. So I am interested to try one and see if it works. This is by Glossier. This is their mintbalm.com. I love that. It's a universal skin salve. A lot of people say they put it on their lips. So I will definitely try it there and I will let you know how this product works. But I'm excited to try it. Again, it's on the tiny side, but I guess that's how they're doing samples these days. But I will try it and let you guys know how that works. So that was all of the products that I had in both my Ipsy and my Sephora. Hope you guys like this tutorial. Please give me a thumbs up. It really helps me out a lot. Don't forget to tap that notification bell so you'll be notified each and every time I upload a video. And as well, subscribe. Join the family. I'm going to be doing another giveaway when I get to 100 subscribers. This one is going to be all about my favorite skincare products. So I'm going to be giving you guys a couple of my favorite skincare products. So that will be the giveaway. I've already started, thinking about which products I want to share with you guys. Comment in the comment section below and let me know what content you're excited to see on this channel, and I will do my best to deliver it to you. But until next time, this is Shannon B for Brown Girl Bella, again giving you lips, lashes, and luxury. And if you want to see a tutorial on this face too, let me know down below. All right, until next time, ciao for now.